Why is Tesla's screen so bad? Let's just put it side by side with a new EV from China, the BYD Dolphin. This is the minimalist approach. This is the colorful, fluid, 15-inch BYD Dolphin screen. It can run 3 apps at the same time: Netflix, Spotify, and Maps. While Tesla's screen is stuck loading a web page, BYD is already watching the next episode. So who needs a bigger screen, BYD or Tesla? Who's the real king of tech? It's not Tesla. It's definitely not the loading spinner. It's BYD. It's the Dolphin. If you want to see who wins in range and price, click above. Subscribe. Tesla's screen needs a therapist.